Lesson 32. Questions and Answers. Do you shave your beard every day? Yes, I shave my beard every day. Do you shave your beard every day? No, I do not shave my beard every day. Do you tear paper every day? Yes, I tear paper every day. Do you tear paper every day? No, I do not tear paper every day. Do you wind your watch every day? Yes, I wind my watch every day. Do you wind your watch every day? No, I do not wind my watch every day. Do you call on your friend every day? Yes, I call on my friend every day. Do you call on your friend every day? No, I do not call on my friend every day. Do you follow your mother every day? Yes, I follow my mother every day. Do you follow your mother every day? No, I do not follow my mother every day. Page 177. Do you look at a picture every day? Yes, I look at a picture every day. Do you look at a picture every day? No, I do not look at a picture every day. Do you push a chair every day? Yes, I push a chair every day. Do you push a chair every day? No, I do not push a chair every day. Do you repeat your words every day? Yes, I repeat my words every day. Do you repeat your words every day? No, I do not repeat my words every day. Do you study hard every day? Yes, I study hard every day. Do you study hard every day? No, I do not study hard every day. Do you build your house every day? Yes, I build my house every day. Do you build your house every day? No, I do not build my house every day. Do you choose your clothes every day? Yes, I choose my clothes every day. Do you choose your clothes every day? No, I do not choose my clothes every day. Do you dig the ground every day? Yes, I dig the ground every day. Do you dig the ground every day? No, I do not dig the ground every day. Do you hang your clothes every day? Yes, I hang my clothes every day. Do you hang your clothes every day? No, I do not hang my clothes every day. Do you send a letter every day? Yes, I send a letter every day. Do you send a letter every day? No, I do not send a letter every day. Do you sing a song every day? Yes, I sing a song every day. Do you sing a song every day? No, I do not sing a song every day. Page 178. Do you spend money every day? Yes, I spend money every day. Do you spend money every day? No, I do not spend money every day. Do you sweep the floor every day? Yes, I sweep the floor every day. Do you sweep the floor every day? No, I do not sweep the floor every day. Do you tell a story every day? Yes, I tell a story every day. Do you tell a story every day? No, I do not tell a story every day. Do you think of your friend every day? Yes, I think of my friend every day. Do you think of your friend every day? No, I do not think of my friend every day. Do you change your clothes every day? Yes, I change my clothes every day. Do you change your clothes every day? No, I do not change my clothes every day. Do you cross the road every day? Yes, I cross the road every day. Do you cross the road every day? No, I do not cross the road every day. Do you explain it to him every day? Yes, I explain it to him every day. Do you explain it to him every day? No, I do not explain it to him every day. Do you stay at home every day? Yes, I stay at home every day. Do you stay at home every day? No, I do not stay at home every day. Do you turn on the radio every day? Yes, I turn on the radio every day. Do you turn on the radio every day? No, I do not turn on the radio every day. Page 179. Do you wait for your teacher every day? Yes, I wait for my teacher every day. Do you wait for your teacher every day? No, I do not wait for my teacher every day. Do you watch the television program every day? Yes, I watch the television program every day. Do you watch the television program every day? No, I do not watch the television program every day. Do you burn paper every day? Yes, I burn paper every day. Do you burn paper every day? No, I do not burn paper every day. Do you hide your money every day? Yes, I hide my money every day. Do you hide your money every day? No, I do not hide my money every day. Do you lie in the bed every day? Yes, I lie in the bed every day. Do you lie in the bed every day? No, I do not lie in the bed every day. Do you shoot a bird every day? Yes, I shoot a bird every day. Do you shoot a bird every day? No, I do not shoot a bird every day.